Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to create new board in Trello account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already logged into your Trello account. Now let's get started. Open your Trello app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options as boards, my cars, search, notification. Here you have to go to boards option. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that plus icon at the right corner. Tap on that plus icon. Now you have to tap on board. Here you have to give a name to your new board. After you have done that, tap on create, which is given at the top right corner. In this way, you can easily create new board in your Trello account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.